Hello friends, thanks so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new here to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and this is part 2 of my process in creating a mini album similar to this one. So I'll link the flip through of this and then part 1 of this in the description box down below. But we're gonna just finish up this mini album today, and we are pretty much just going to put our pages inside for our signature. So if you remember from part 1, these were about 6 inches tall. So that's how tall I wanted my signatures to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 3 sheets of 12 by 6 papers. So here are my 3 12 by 6s. And I'm just going to take one of them. And I already scored this one, but I'm just gonna do it again. So I'm gonna hold this on the blank side at the 12-inch side. And this is really just gonna depend on the size of your journal. But for me, I just scored at 5 and 10. So sorry, it should be this way. So I scored at 5 and 10. Like that. And we're just going to fold this side back. And then this smaller section we're going to fold forward. So this is what it's going to look like. And we're going to do that same thing to our other 2 sheets here. So 5 and 10. All right, there's our second page and our last page here. We have 5 and 10. Okay, then we're going to just grab 3 sheets of 3.5 by 6 inch papers. And these are basically going to get glued. Let's bring one of our main pages back. So these are basically going to get glued over top here of this blank panel. So great for single-sided paper. And then that's going to get flipped open to create that little side pocket over here. So I'm just going to glue this panel here on those 3 edges. And then I'll just place one of my sheets right over top. And just make sure everything is nicely aligned. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this inside of my journal first. So, or I guess mini album, I keep calling it a journal. So here's my cover. I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to slide this signature or page in to my first little string here. So where this opens up, where we have the blank side here, we're just going to slide this in. And you could actually just leave your page open like this. In my first mini album, I did glue this shut to create a top pocket here as well. But again, it's up to you. You could just keep this as a page and then you could insert a lot of different pages since this is a nice elastic string. So you could actually make it into a journal if you wanted. But I'm going to just close this page up. So I'm just gonna glue the bottom here and then the edge. And close this whole page up. But of course, we still have this page that'll flip out. And so now I've just created like one single pocket page here. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do for my other two pages. So I'm going to set this aside and let's grab our next sheet here. And I guess I'll do this sheet. Again, that's 3.5 by 6. And we'll just repeat the same process. Okay, so that is pretty much everything for the mini album. And then of course you can decorate, fill this up with pictures. You have all these pockets. There's one in the front there. There's a lot of interactive pages. So each page I turned into a top-loading pocket page. So that's everything for the mini album. And I'll probably just come back and show you the final flip through of this one. And maybe you'll get some decorating ideas from the flip through. So I will be right back. And here is the final result of this mini album. So I just have this cut apart on the front that says "You are beautiful." And I just drew my own dashed border around it because sometimes I just like that look. And then I added this butterfly sticker, which is from the Dollar Tree. And these two little flowers down below are from Michael's. So very springy. And let's go ahead and flip through the album. So over on this side, I just added these little star beads down the edge here. They were in my stash and I just wanted to use them up. So I thought they were kind of cute. They kind of have these gold specks on them. And then I added this floral piece from Hobby Lobby and this 3x4 Project Life journaling card down below for some extra writing space. And in my pocket here, I just have this card. It says "Today," and it has a little vellum flip sheet here, so you could actually journal right on top of the vellum. And then over on this side, I just added some pom-pom trim to the edge of this page here. That's just a little sticker I glued on, and I paper clipped this cut apart as well, thinking of you. And again, this flips open. So I just put this little ephemera piece down in the corner because I thought a photo would go nicely here. And this sticker says "Take me somewhere nice." And so I put just this fake boarding pass in there. You could journal with that or alter it in some way. And then just this little tag as well. Maybe you want to put a photo of some place that you traveled and then you could journal about it. And then again, each page is a pocket page. So this is my little insert in there. Just a cute little journaling card, or it could be a photo mat as well. And then over here, this was just another cut apart. And I thought it would be cute for a photo, or you could even just journal in this space. And then I added some of these fun little sequins, which are also from Hobby Lobby. And they had these cute little flowers and leaves. And over on this side, I glued this banner down that says The Sweet Life, but it's also a tuck spot, as you can see. So I have a tag there. Some more of this pom-pom trim. And then I just paper clipped this sticker here and this little journaling card underneath. And then in this side pocket, I just have this card. It says Bloom and Grow. And this is just washi taped on. And there's another little sticker down here as well. In my top pocket here, I just have this card. It says You and Me. So I thought a photo would go nicely here as well. And then you could journal about it on the back. And over here, this is another 3x4 Project Life journaling card. And I put Sweet Memories here at the top. This panel I kind of just left blank, but I did add this butterfly sticker and some more pom-pom trim, of course. And we'll flip that open. I washi taped this card on here. It says, You are my happy place. So you could even just journal on the back or add a photo. And then over in this side pocket, I just made my own little journaling card here. It says hello. And of course, another little flippy page there. And then my last little insert is also, it could be a photo mat, or you could just decorate this some more and make it a journaling card. I added this up top as a little tab, and the quote says, Fall in love with as many things as possible. And then moving on to the last few pages, look at that glitter. These are just some glittery foam floral stickers. And I also put this quote, Be the best version of you. And I thought a photo would go nicely here, so that's why it's kind of blank. And on my last pocket here, I did my little star beads down the side again. And I added this floral sticker and just one more little insert. And this says Love You on it. So it could be a photo mat again. You could put a photo on the back at least, or a journal on the back. But just a cute little springy mini album. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the process. I hope you enjoyed the final flip through, and maybe you got some decorating ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you all very soon in my next video, so happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.